One quiet morning, the friends hiked toward the highlands near Burville. The air was crisp, and the hills looked like waves frozen in time. Nimbo. Oh, ho! Our voices will sound funny here. Listen! He shouts, "Hello!" And the hills echo back, "Hello, hello, hello." Siva. It's talking back to you. Koto. It's not talking. It's an echo. Sound bouncing back from the hills. Lumi. Then maybe these hills are whispering stories back to us. Gentle wind moves through the grass as a mysterious low hum begins to vibrate in the air. But suddenly a deep humming sound rolled beneath their feet, like the earth itself was singing. Sira. Did anyone hear that? Nimbo. Oh ho! It's maybe giants storing underground. Kodo. It's not a giant, it's vibration. Lumi. Vibration? Kodo. When air or earth shakes, sound moves through it. Maybe something under us in moving, like a voice trapped underground. The humming gets louder, rhythmically, almost musical. Following the sound, they found a cave glowing faintly blue. Inside walls shimmered with crystal that punched whenever someone spoke. Sira. Hello. The crystals light up and repeat hello, hello, hello. Nimbo. They really do talk? Lumi. It's not magic. The crystal carries sound through tiny air tunnels. They reflect the waves like nature's microphone. Kodo. So these rocks are singing because they are listening. As they explored deeper, a glowing mist began to swirl. From it emerged a gentle silver fox spirit, the Whisper Guardian. Children of water roots, you have earned the hills of sound. Few ever listen to the earth through voice. Loom. We didn't mean to disturb, Whisper Guardian. You haven't. You have heard. And now I will show you the harmony between sound and silence. Each friend made a different sound. Lumi hummed, Sira whistled softly, Nimbo tapped his paws, and Kodo thumped his sticks. Sira. Our voices make music with the world, Whisper Guardian. When you speak kindly, sound travels far. When you listen deeply, truth returns to you. Noon. That's what echoes are. Nature's way of reminding us to listen. As they stepped out of the cave, the hills carried their final laughter in long echoes. Nimhi. Hey, do you think the hills will remember us? Koto. They already do. It can still hear us if you listen. Loon. Then let's keep speaking with kindness so our echoes always sounds good. Educational message. Children, did you know? Sound is made by vibration, tiny movements that travel through air, water, and even the ground. That's how we hear voices, music, and echoes. So always listen carefully. The world has a lot to say.